more posts, training more people in appropriate ways, and finding ways to get our quite large complement of health practitioners out there, I think we're going to have a problem in implementing this. But if we continue in the same way as we are now, I'm afraid only a few people will be able to enjoy private health care, which actually is extremely inefficient. It's very expensive. There's huge over-servicing, and it's increasingly unaffordable. Thank you.
Thank you very much, David. Louis, if you'd like to start with your presentation.
Okay. Thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to speak about this. I was asked to look at the experience of Red Cross Children's War Memorial Hospital as a possible model for how the NHI could work, because it's a public sector hospital that sees both private and public patients and trains health professionals. And so I'd like to start off by looking at that. So can we have the image of the first slide? So this is the slightly unusual view of the Children's Hospital because it's taken across the Rondebosch Common. Can I move this on? And just to remember, it's a war memorial. The hospital was started by public subscription when some returning soldiers from the Second World War decided to establish a war memorial. And they decided they didn't want a statue or something like that. They thought a children's hospital would be more appropriate as a war memorial. The Red Cross Society was not really very instrumental except as the channel of the funds. So people contributed, the Red Cross Society kept the money, and the hospital was built, and it was opened in 1956. So it's a teaching hospital attached to the University of Cape Town, and also linked to the University of Stellenbosch. And it's a leading center for the training of health professionals, doctors, nurses, physiotherapists, occupational therapists, and so on, for the country and for the world. So we train undergraduate students and postgraduate pediatricians who are general and subspecialists. In other words, people interested in specific organ-related diseases. I'm a pulmonologist, so interested in respiratory disease plus a few other things. So does the Red Cross Hospital give us a good model? And I think, which way do you go forward? Yeah, this one. Okay. Thanks. Okay, so the Children's Hospital is a center located in the Cape Metro West district region of the Cape Province. And you can see there where it is on the map. It caters for a population. What it works at different levels. It works as a regional hospital for that region and caters for a population of about 650